This 2019 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton East 29 RDB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 10, slide-out, external shower, LP detector, auxiliary battery, TV, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2019 Keystone Cougar Half-Ton East 29 RDB is 8,240 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.